the fuck I hit it. If you want beef, I'm with it. I be pushing weight, no limit. Used to be broke, I fixed it. If I want the money, then I get it. If I want the pussy, I could trick it.
What it do, everybody? We got a little bit of a night video, but not really. Anyways, I'm just gonna go look at these wheels. So part of the whole drift preparation thing is I needed some spares for the E36. So I'm about to go look at some now. I mean, it's not really a like, I think I'm probably gonna get it unless they're really bad, or like this guy's asking 200 bucks, but I really don't want to pay 200 bucks. Might come back with some wheels. There were some other ones that it was like 15s, and the guy wanted like 100 bucks. So it's not that bad of an option. Like if I have to go there and I have to walk away, so be it. But one of the steps of preparing the E36 for the drift clinic, hopefully, you know, I'm trying to make it to it, but trying to prepare the car and make sure that I can get everything. I'm about to drive over to Cumberland Mall. If you guys are from Georgia area, you guys know Cumberland Mall. That's where we're gonna meet. And I also got a new microphone on here. I don't know if it sounds good yet, but if it does sound better, you guys let me know in the comments what you think. And yeah, so we're about to head over there and I'll see what happens with this purchase. So I ended up actually getting the wheels, as you can see, and I mean, I just now noticed a little bit more tire wear than the guy. I mean, it doesn't really matter, but I mean, I don't really know what I'm gonna do with these tires yet. There's like two pretty good ones, there's two bad ones. Actually there's only one that's pretty good, and then there's like one that's got wear in the middle, and then two that got pretty bad camber wear. So I might just throw these on the car and maybe do some night skids or something, do a burnout or something. But yeah, so I've got to figure out a tire situation. Wasn't really trying to do that, but I figured that it was better to go with the 17s and the 15s. I didn't really want to be drifting. I didn't know if like the 15s were harder to find, but either way, I kind of didn't want them. They were ugly. Say whatever you want to say. Like I didn't want to drive my car while I was looking ugly. Not really that's why, but like it just, you know, who wants to buy ugly things? But yeah, so I mean, these are pretty sick. The gunmetal is kind of dark in here. Yeah, I'm gonna recontinue this video when it's not nasty, because it is raining outside and it's cold, and I'm probably gonna wash them and test fit them on the car, get my ride height how I want it. And yeah, I'm gonna test fit these wheels as soon as I get back, so I'm gonna catch you guys soon. Yeah, it's the next day and I'm gonna get to cleaning these wheels today. It's maybe a little dirty, but anyways, yeah, I'm trying out some new camera settings, so we'll see how this goes. New microphone as well, and new wheels, whole lot of new. We're gonna get to cleaning these wheels, so depending on how things go as well, I'm gonna try to test fit them on the car. The wheels are kind of bald and I do have to go somewhere today, so I'm worried that I might not have the time, but they don't look too bad. Like, they definitely look like they could still ride for a little bit. We got class a little bit later, so we'll see how time goes, but for sure we're getting to cleaning them right now. So yeah guys, there you have it. The wheels, they're not super clean. They're still it's not like I detailed them, but they are cleaner than before, definitely. I can still, like, you know, detail them on the car, but I just didn't want to make this a full-on detail video. This wheel here, you can see it's been through some battles. I actually don't, yeah, that's not coming off thing, but yeah, I'm about to grab the jack. We're gonna jack up the car and we're gonna get these wheels on, at least the back two, because I want to see how the fitment is. I think it may be perfect. I'm still gonna be running these wheels for drift, these front wheels, but this back wheel, I feel like that fitment is going to be perfect, like right there. All right, for the moment of truth, let's see if I can get this thing off. Oh, nice. Hell yes. I don't know why this is so easy to... The car just moved. Now here's the thing, I don't know if I should put it on jack stands or just trust this jack. But the thing is, if I just pull the wheels off with the jack stand right there, the car could fall. But if I put it on jacks, I have to lift it up so much more. And this thing just slid, but I also have the things in the front holding the wheels, so it shouldn't move. So I'm gonna keep going. I'm gonna keep going. All trial and error. Okay, moment of truth. I'm gonna let it down super slowly. So that's it, guys. The wheels are on. This is the wheels that I'm gonna be running for the drift event. I was thinking about testing all of them, like test fitting the wheels in the front, because I mean, when like off the car they look pretty sick, but I don't know if I'm just used to that color, but I'm really not feeling like the gunmetal or how dark they are. Like, I don't really like black wheels, But this is like damn close to black. Anyway, my neighbor driving by looking at me like she never seen YouTube. She never seen Filmmaker. Yeah, I mean, I'm a little disappointed with the fitment. I thought that it would be a bigger drop. I don't know if it's because the suspension still has to settle. Yeah, I'm still new to this, but yeah, I just wanted to see what it would look like with the drift setup. It didn't need to be the prettiest wheels, you know, so I mean, looks all right. I'm also gonna make a video in the future when it gets a little bit closer to time. I'm definitely gonna adjust the coilovers. I'm gonna drop it a little bit more because I don't want to be monster trucking on the track. But that is the end of this video, guys. If you guys enjoyed it, please leave a like. Please comment what you'd like to see. If you're excited for that drift event, we're gonna do it. I'm gonna drift this car. I'm gonna get the diff video. It's coming next week once I upload this. Hit the subscribe button so you guys don't miss out on that video. A lot of you guys that I see in the analytics, that a lot of you guys watching it not subscribed, man. What are you doing? Blowing it, bro. Hit that subscribe button, join the family. You already know, BMW content, car content. I mean, we're planning on doing a whole lot more content. We're gonna broad out one day, but hope you guys enjoyed it, and I'm gonna catch you guys next Friday. New video every Friday. Don't forget to hit that subscribe button. You already know. Let's get it. We on go, baby.
If you wanna fuck, I hit it. If you want beef, I'm with it. I be pushing weight, no limit. Used to be broke, I fixed it. If I want the money, then I get it. If I want the pussy, I could trick it. Molly in a lean, I missed it. Every kind of class, I skipped it.